India is one of the most climate vulnerable countries. Rising temperatures and erratic weather threaten small farmers. 80% of Indian farmers cultivate less than 2 hectares. Climate shocks reduce yields, increase pests, and degrade soil. Farmers struggle to maintain stable incomes amidst these challenges.
जानवर जैसे नील गाय बहुत हैं, वध जानवर बहुत हैं, तो नुकसान बहुत करत हैं बाहर के खेती में। लागत ज़्यादा लागत रहा, बचत नहीं रहा।
खाद लगाते थे तो कीट पतंग ज़्यादा होता था, स्प्रे हम लोग को ज़्यादा करना पड़ता था, और जैसे बारिश भी होती थी तो सीधे रिफ्लेक्ट पौधा पर ही पड़ता था।
जब हम बाहर खेती करते थे तो हमें धूप मतलब ज़्यादा आती थी।
ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుండి మేము చేస్తున్న వ్యవసాయంలో తీసుకొచ్చి గింజలు వేయడం వల్ల భూమి మీదనే వేయడం వల్ల విల్టు రావడం కానీ ఏరుకులుడు కానీ వర్షం పడడం వల్ల కానీ మొత్తం సగానికి ఒక 10% నుండి 20% మాకు చేతికి వచ్చేది.
In 2022, KT started working with various NGO partners in states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Telangana, reaching nearly 4,000 farmers through collaborations with partners such as Pradhan, Aga Khan Foundation, Digital Green Trusts, Tata Trusts and its elite partners.
स्पेशली ये वाले एरिया में लैंड होल्डिंग्स बहुत छोटे हैं, फ्रैगमेंटेड है, तो किसान के लिए एक काफ़ी चैलेंज आता है अपना इनकम सोर्स को एश्योर करने के लिए।
इस तरीके का एटमॉस्फेयर और क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है, उसमें फार्मर्स जो है कई बार जो है वो हाई वैल्यू क्रॉप में जा नहीं पाते हैं।
ज़मीन जो है बहुत स्कैटर्ड है, बहुत छोटे हैं जो किसान यहाँ पे है। ज़्यादातर किसान 90% जो किसान है लघु और सीमांत है।
Farmers like Kheti's net house because it alleviates problems like high temperature, uneven rainfall, pest attack and more water consumption.
KT collaborates with non-governmental organizations, corporate social responsibility foundations, farmer-producer organizations to expand greenhouse access. Through these partnerships, KT offers affordable climate-smart greenhouse technology to smallholder farmers. Farmers receive agronomic training to improve crop productivity and resilience. KT facilitates market linkages, ensuring better sales and stable incomes for farmers.
आई थिंक खेती का जो नेट हाउस है वो ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है फार्मर के लिए कि प्रोटेक्टेड कल्टीवेशन करके वो एक इंश्योर इनकम पा सकता है।
ज़मीन जो बहुत यहाँ पे लिमिटेड रिसोर्स है, तो 6 डेसिमल में इस तरह का एक प्रोटेक्टेड कल्टीवेशन कर पाना, और जिससे इनकम रेंज लगभग अगर एक सीजन में ही देखा जाए जो लास्ट ईयर फार्मर 60,000 से ऊपर जा पा।
Benefit that the farmers are getting right now, the farmers are using this greenhouse for growing nursery, different kind of chili vegetable saplings during the season.
Kheti's mission is to increase incomes for smallholder farmers affected by climate change, and our vision is that every single smallholder farmer in India has access to climate smart technologies. That's a big vision. That vision cannot be achieved alone, and it cannot be achieved if Kheti is the only hero. So one of our core values is what we call V is greater than I. We believe that the only way to reach that vision is by really through partnerships and collaborations and really working with others to scale our programs and working with others who know more than us. The first hero in our story is the farmer. The second hero in our story is our partners who have worked with farmers, who have built grassroots organizations and have really understand better than us what it takes to work with farmers. So unless we work with them and scale our program, we will not achieve our vision. So that's the way we operate, and that's the way we continue to hope to operate as we scale up.